In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause video in Clipchamp. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with video editing, these steps will help you seamlessly integrate pauses into your projects, enhancing your storytelling or instructional videos. First, let's open your preferred web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Here you'll find yourself on the home page ready to dive into video editing. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and click on the sign in option found at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login portal. Now for a convenient login process, choose the continue with Microsoft option. You'll be prompted to select your Microsoft account. Simply click on the account you wish to use. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed back to the Clipchamp homepage. Here, you'll want to select create a new video to start a fresh editing project. This will open up the video editor interface where you can begin bringing your video ideas to life. At this point you need to import your media files, which you can easily do by clicking on the import media button. You have the option to drag and drop your video files directly onto the timeline, streamlined for ease of use. As your media is now on the timeline, select the specific clip you intend to work on. Be ready to break it down to create those natural pauses. To do this, you will need to cut or split the clip. Move the playhead to the point where you'd like to initiate a pause, then use the cut or split function to create a dividing line in your video clip. With that done, proceed to locate the end point of where you want to end the pause and perform another cut there. Now to visibly signify the pause on screen, click on the segment you just created. You'll want to take a screenshot of this frame. This will act as a still image, effectively creating the visual cue for a pause. With this screenshot taken, import it back into the editor and drag it onto the timeline. Place this screenshot right in between the two split segments of your video. What you've achieved here is the creation of a designated pause within your video timeline. Adding still images as pauses is a simple yet effective technique, ensuring that your message is clear and keeps the viewer's attention. And there you go, you've successfully mastered incorporating pauses into your videos using Clipchamp. With these steps under your belt, you're now equipped to enhance your video projects, creating a more engaging viewing experience. Keep practicing and you'll find new creative methods to enrich your content. Thanks for watching and happy editing.